ሰላም ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? በዛሬው ቪዲዮ የመጣሁላችሁ ከፍሬንድ ጋር ለማውራት የሚረዳን ትምህርት ነው። እስከ ቪዲዮ መጨረሻ ተከታተሉ። ቻናሉን ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ። ሌትስ ጎ። ነምበር 1 ምን እየሰራህ ነው? ምን እያደረግህ ነው ለማለት ስንፈልግ ስንጽፈው what are you doing ይሆናል ስንጽፈው ወይም ቀስ ብለን ስንናገረው። በፍጥነት ስንናገረው ደግሞ what are you doing ይሆናል ስንጽፈው ስንናገረው ቀስ ብለን what are you doing ስንናገረው ነው በፍጥነት what are you doing
trying to see, okay, what are you doing?
What are you doing to nurture connection?
And I said, what are you doing all the way in Lima?
Number 2 ደግሞ አግኝቻለሁ ያልከው ገብቶኛል። የሆነ ሰው ጥያቄ ጠይቆን ገብቶኛል ምናምን ስንል ማለት ነው። ስንጽፈው I got you ይሆናል። ስንናገረው ደግሞ ወይም በፍጥነት ስናነበው ምን ይሆናል? gotcha ገብቶኛል ምናምን እንደማለት ነው።
And those who are my friends, no matter what.
I gotcha.
And that's
the thing. It broke.
Then it broke.
Dropped.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotcha.
Yeah.
I saw where this is going.
ስም ማን ነው? እቺ ኢዚ ናት። ከአሁን በፊት ታውቋት ትሆናለች። ስንጽፈው what is your name ይሆናል። ስንናገረው ደግሞ ስናገር በዚህ ወይ ሁለት አባባል ነው ያለው። የመጀመሪያው what's your name ይሆናል። ቀጣዩ ደግሞ what's your name
and filled out 2 boxes. What's your name and what's your social security number?
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. What's your name?
Miss number 4 እንግዲህ number 4 ከየት ሀገር ነው የመጣው? ከየት ሀገር ነው የመጣው? ከየት ነው ተገበው ምናምን ስንጽፈው ወይም ቀስ ብለን ስናነበው where are you from ይሆናል። በፍጥነት ስናነበው ደግሞ እንዴት ነው? where are you from? Where are you from?
What's your name? Where are you from?
How are you?
What you calling, bro? Where are you from?
And where are you from?
Okay. Number 5 ምን አዲስ ህይወት እንዴት ይዟል ምናምን ደግሞ ለማለት ስንፈልግ ስንጽፈው how is it going ይሆናል። በፍጥነት ስናነበው ወይም ስንናገረው ደግሞ how's it going ይሆናል ማለት ነው።
Hey, how's it going?
I said, hey, how's it going, you know?
How's it going so far?
Hey, gossip, how's it going? Hey, lustful.
6 ምን እንደምታወራው ስለምን ነው እያወራህ ምናምን ለማለት ስንፈልግ ስንጽፈው ወይም ቀስ ብለን ስናነበው ምን ይሆናል? what are you talking about ይሆናል። ስንናገረው ደግሞ ወይ ሙቪ ላይ እንደምናየው ከሆነ ደግሞ ምንድን ነው what are you talking about? Say what are you talking about? What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
And they're looking at you like, what are you talking about? And
what are you talking about?
And then my brother's like, what are you?
Okay, number 7 ደህና ነህ? ምን አዲስ ምናምን ለማለት ነው ስንጽፈው ቀስ ብለን ስንናገረው how are you doing ይሆናል።
How you doing, greedy? What's going on, unreliable?
How you doing today?
I don't have to answer that question.
That is correct.
How you doing, Chris?
How you doing today?
Hello.
Hey, Mom. How you doing?
number 8 ናልካንተ አሁን ምን ነበር ያልኩት ማለት ስንፈልግ ደግሞ what did you just say ይሆናል። በፍጥነት ስናነበው ደግሞ what did you just say? is it ላይ ኮሚት ተደረገ just say ይሆናል። what did you just say ይሆናል።
Hi, Mom. Darling. What did you just say to me?
What did you just say?
number 9 ደግሞ ልታግዘኝ ትችላለህ ማለት ነው። ቀስ ብለን ስናነበው could you help me ይሆናል። በፍጥነት ስናነበው ደግሞ ስንናገረው ሪል ኮንቨርሴሽን ላይ could you help me ዲ እና ዋይ ሲገናኙ እዚህ ላይ ወደ ጂ ይቀየራል ማለት ነው። ታችኛው ያው ተምሳሌ would you help me ገና ስንናገረው ስላል በፍጥነት ስናነበው ደግሞ
Would you help me? Would you help me?
Daddy, I can't do this. Would you help me?
Absolutely.
number 10 ደግሞ ተመቸህ እንደዛ ነገር አዎ ተመችቶኝ የሆነ ነገር ተመቸህ ምናምን እንደዛ ነገር አዎ ተመችቶኝ ለማለት ስንፈልግ ስንጽፈው ወይም ቀስ ብለን ስናነበው I kind of like እንለዋለን ማለት ነው። ስናነበው ግን ወይም ሪል ላይፍ ላይ ሪል ኮንቨርሴሽን ላይ I kind of like it.
I kind of like it.
I kind of like this person, and I kind of like. I think I want to watch more.
I kind of like it, especially since I kind of like it.
I kind of like this person, and I kind of like. I think I want to watch more.
Okay. Number 11 ደግሞ እንጠብቃለን። ምን ይጠብቃል ምናምን ስንፈልግ ስንጽፈው ወይም ቀስ ብለን ስናነበው what are you waiting for ይሆናል። ስንናገረው ደግሞ እንትን ላይ what are you waiting for ይሆናል ማለት ነው።
Dude, what are you waiting for? Go find it.
So the question to me is really, what are you waiting for?
Full of their delicious drink. What are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for? Dude, what are you waiting for? Go find it.
So the question to me is really, what are you waiting for?
Full of their delicious
Did you know me before? Did you know me before? ስንናገረው ደግሞ Did you know me before? Did you know me before?
What was that like? Did you know each other before this?
No, that's where we met.
Yeah, did you know this story before the script?
I did.
What was that like? Did you know each other before this?
No, that's where we met.
Yeah, did you know this story before the script?
I did.
13 ደግሞ ይህን መስማት እንደማትፈልግ አውቃለሁ። ይህን መስማት እንደማትፈልግ አውቃለሁ ለማለት ሲሆን ስንጽፍ ወይም ቀስ ብለን ስንናገር you are not going to want to hear this እንላለን። ስንናገረው ደግሞ ወይ ሙቪ ላይ እንደምናየው ደግሞ አሁን ሲነበብ ደግሞ you are not gonna wanna hear this. You are not gonna wanna hear this.
I said, I know you're not going to want to hear this, but I'm pregnant.
You're not going to want to hear this, but
Number 14 ምን ለማለት እየሞከርክ ነው ለማለት ስንፈልግ ደግሞ ስንጽፈው what are you trying to say ይሆናል። ስንናገረው ደግሞ ይሆናል what are you trying to say እዚህ ላይ trying የሚለው ለምን ይነበብ trying to say.
what are you trying to say with this?
What I mean is, what are you trying to say?
Mom, what are you trying to say?
15 አሁን ምን ታደርግ ነው ምን ታደርግ ነው ስንጽፈው what are you going to do now ይሆናል። ስናነበው ደግሞ ሪል ኮንቨርሴሽን ላይ ደግሞ what are you gonna do now?
What are you going to do now? We answered your question.
Well, he's definitely got a lot to say. So what are you going to do now, babe?
You seem like a great guy. Well, what are you going to do for a living now? How are you going to pay the rent?
what are you gonna do now number 16 የሆነ ነገር ልበል እስቲ ምናምን ስትሉ ደግሞ ስንጽፈው let me say something ይሆናል። let me say something ይሆናል። ስንናገረው ደግሞ let me say something ማለት እዚህ ላይ something የሚለው ጂ አትነበብም እናምጠው something እዚህ ደግሞ let የሚለው ቲ ኦሚት ተደረገና let me say something ይሆናል።
So let me say something a little bit more specific.
And let me say something about how we build this new movement.
Personally. And let me say something, Craig, too. I think
ነምበር 17 መጽሐፉን ስጠኝ ለማለት ስንጽፈው ጊቭ ሚ ዘ ቡክ ጊቭ ሚ ዘ ቡክ ይሆናል። ስንናገረው ደግሞ ጊቭ ሚ ዘ ቡክ ጊቭ ሚ ዘ ቡክ ጊቭ ሚ ዘ ቡክ ጊቭ ሚ ዘ ቡክ
Give me the book back. Take the book. Hey, bro, it's my chicken, bro. If I go up to someone and say, "Give me some money," do I become resentful if?
Can you give me some?
ነምበር 18 ኧረ ጥፋልኝ ዞር በልልኝ ምናምን ለማለት ስንፈልግ ደግሞ ስንጽፈው ጌት አውት ኦፍ ሂር ይሆናል። ስንናገረው ደግሞ ጌት አውት ኦፍ ሂር ጌት አውት ኦፍ ሂር
Number one priority is to get out of here.
I need to get out of here. I'm sick of being here.
Ashley Ford, get out of here.
Okay, number 19 it is the last የሆነ ነገር ማለት ትፈልጋለህ ምትለዋለህ ምናምን ስንል ደግሞ ስንጽፈው did you want to say something ይሆናል። ይህ በነገራችን ላይ በሶስት አይነት መንገድ ማለት እንችላለን። የመጀመሪያ do you wanna say something ማለት እንችላለን። ከዛ ደግሞ እዚህ በተሻለ አሳጥራለን you wanna say something እዚህ ደግሞ በጣም
You want to say something?
Yes.
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 this video like share don't forget like share subscribe see you next